Hello everyone. So in this video we will solve the recursive descent parser which is in the top down parsers. Okay, so first of all we will check if there is left recursion and left factoring in that grammar in the given questions. Then we will eliminate those, and once it is eliminated we will write the recursive descent parser. Okay, so let us see the procedure. So if we want to create for s and we have the production like x1 x2 x3, then we will first of all enter in the void s function. Okay, so in that for I equals to 1 till n, if it is a non-terminal then we will directly call that. So if it is a non-terminal, call procedure xi. Okay, and else if it is a terminal or an input symbol, then we will write the advance, or we will call that advance function. Okay, like this. And if both are not true, then we will call the error. Okay, so we have the question over here like write recursive descent parser, that is RDP, for the CFG given below. So we will find the RDP for this CFG. We have this production, but we can see there is left factoring over here, and in the A's production there is a left recursion. Okay, because A gives a small a. So first of all let us remove this. Okay, so let us start the solution. So removing left factoring, then I have already made video on left factoring and left recursion. If you want to know about it, you can watch that video. So first of all I will write the common part, that is the common factors, and then s dash, and then in the s dash I will write the part which is remaining from the production, that is b and a. I have just made this production or made this CFG. You can get any kind of productions. Okay, so removing left recursion, I wanted a question which was having both left recursion and left factoring, so I have chosen this part. Okay, so for removing the left recursion I will write the remaining production, that is b, a dash, and a dash would be containing the small a, capital A dash, and epsilon. Okay, so we have this updated grammar now. So let us start the solution. We don't have to do anything for the epsilon. Okay, in the a dash we'll see when we will reach at the a dash function. Okay, so let us write for s first of all. So in RDP we have the input symbol as small a, so I will write if input symbol equals to a, and then we will write the advance. Okay, so let us write that down. If input symbol equals to small a, then in this if I will first of all call the advance function. Okay, then we have capital A over there in the SS production, so I will directly call the A function. Okay, and then after that I have the S dash, so I can write it like this also, which is S dash only. So let me just write that in comment. Okay, so now if this was not true, then there would be an error. So in the else part I will go for the error function calling. Okay, so we have created the RDP for the S production. Now we will see for the S dash, then we will complete for A dash, and B. Okay, so let us go ahead. So let us write for S dash. So S dash equals to, there are two non-terminals in starting, and you won't get a question like this. I just made that question so that you would encounter the removal of left factoring and left recursion. So let me just update the question. I will just write 1a over there so that there would be an terminal, that is 1, in the first production of S. Okay, so let us change in that. So 1a, and over here also s dash gives b and 1a as the productions. Okay, so now I can directly first of all write if input symbol was 1, then advance and then call the a, and in the else part I will call the b. Okay, so if input symbol equals to 1, then advance and then I will call the a function, because we have the a, the non-terminal after 1, and in this part I will just call the b. Okay, so let us close this s dash and we will write for the next ones, that is a dash and the b. Okay, so let us go for a. So in a production we have the first of all input symbol as b, so I will write if input symbol equals to b, we will write advance and the next non-terminal, that is a dash. Okay, so first of all what I will do is I will write advance function and then I will write the a dash. So let us write that down. So advance and then we have b a dash in the a's production, so I will write the a dash in the RDP of this, and in the else part I will just write the error. Okay, so let us close this a and then we will choose the production a dash. Okay, so we have completed for the production of a. Now in production a dash, first of all we have the input symbol as small a. Let me just show you that. Okay, so for a dash we have first of all the input symbol a, so for that I will write if, then advance, and then I will check if there is any input symbol or a non-terminal, and if it is a non-terminal, that is a dash only, so I will just write a dash function. Okay, and we have epsilon, so for epsilon we don't have to write anything. Let me just write that down. So don't write anything for epsilon, which is empty only. Okay, so after writing the a dash in the RDP of this, I will write in the else part error. Okay, now we have completed the RDP for a dash production. Now I will write the RDP for the b production. Okay, so let us write that down. So okay, first of all I will write b. Now we have two input symbols, so in first if I will write if input symbol equals to b, and inside that I will write another if, that is a nested if of if input symbol equals to a. Okay, like this, if input symbol equals to a. Before going to the second if, first of all I will write the advance. Okay, so I have to write it above also before checking for input symbol a, and after checking if it was input symbol a, I will write advance and then a function. Okay, and in the else part I will write error, and for outer if also I will write else error. Okay, we wrote the else for both of the if. Now we will close for the b production. Okay, so we have completed the RDP for the given grammar. First of all we checked the left recursion and left factoring, then we removed those, and then what we did was we just started writing the RDP. Okay, you can take a screenshot if you want to. Let me just move this a little like this. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you are having any doubts, and if you want to access complete video series on a particular programming language or a topic, you can go to my playlist section, or you can just click on the playlist link inside the description of this video. Okay, So see you all in the next video. Till then, study more, worry less, and all the best for your upcoming exams.